Ever spent hours troubleshooting a Jira issue and wished you had a detailed record of what happened? Today, we're diving into how to access Jira Cloud Logs, your project's secret diary, which is crucial for keeping your projects humming along smoothly. This is how you can troubleshoot issues, monitor performance, and analyze those project patterns. First, a quick overview. Jira Cloud Logs record almost everything that happens in your project, from user actions to system processes. Accessing these logs lets you troubleshoot problems or assess project performance, leading to more informed decisions. Unfortunately, direct log access is not available like it is with server-based Jira instances. As a cloud user, your access will only go through specific areas or with the Atlassian Support. If you're running into problems, you can submit a request on the Atlassian Support portal, explaining the problem and providing any helpful details. This portal is the first place you should go when looking for those logs. When submitting a support request, be as specific as possible. Provide the project key, relevant timestamps, and a clear description of the issue. Atlassian Support will then investigate and provide the relevant log information. Analyzing these logs allows you to identify bottlenecks, monitor application performance, and understand user behavior. By logging and analyzing, you'll stay ahead of issues, optimize your projects, and improve efficiency. So, remember to leverage Atlassian Support to access those vital logs. Use them wisely and you'll be well on your way to keeping your projects healthy and successful.